how to add nearby friends in Snapchat using the Snap Map. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Now, once you're in the camera page, click on the map icon on the bottom left corner of the screen. Once it's loaded, you will see on the map that there is a blue glowing circles from every space on the map. Now try to click on a single blue circle. Stories will then show. These are stories uploaded on the location where the circle you clicked on is located. So just tap on the user's name on the story page, and from here, you can just add the user who uploaded the story. Just do it again on other users, and you can exit that circle and then find another blue circle where you can add other users. So that is how to add nearby friends on Snapchat using the Snap Map. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.